Hey guys, and welcome. Today we're over here at the villas at Disney's Grand Floridian Resort and Spa. It's a lot of words in one mouthful, but this is actually a DVC resort located alongside of the Grand Floridian, guys. So this has actually got the same exact theming. It's just a little bit smaller, and it's off next to the wedding pavilion side or the Polynesian side. So it looks identical. Over there is where the monorail is going to go into the actual Grand Floridian, but this is actually the villas, they call it. And this is what you're going to see when you get up here. And this place is mainly just a lot of rooms inside. Go ahead on in. And these are the two doors that you're going to go through to get on inside here. Now inside, you don't really have much in there. So you got one floor that you're really, this is your common area, and the rest of it's all elevators and hallways taking you to your rooms. But this resort is actually like a piggyback off of the main Grand Floridian. It's just extra rooms pretty much. You don't have a general store. You're not going to have the gift shops. But it's nicely themed. You got the little penguins right there. This is what these guys are known for, the little fountain. And some big chandeliers hanging down up above. And this is actually out back now on the pool side. So if you're on the back near the pool looking at the resort, this is what you're going to see. So it's mainly, you know, the same exact decor as your Grand Floridian, as I said before, but it's just its own little building, so you got more rooms over here. So DVC needed a place to stay, now they've got their own rooms. And over to the left of this building is going to be the new Polynesian that they're putting in there. So you can either go in the building on the front where I was earlier, or you can come in here, which is the back side, which is on the Grand Floridian side. Here's your map. There's the Grand Floridian. The pool for this resort's right behind this water fountain right there. And let's head on in. It's always hard when you get over here to do the actual tour of inside, because you're always wondering, do you want to go into front or do you want to go into back? So I figured I'd do today both sides to give you a feeling for what you're looking at as you're walking in. And once again, coming in here, not really much to see in here. Got some artwork. Got your DVC people in here.
Yeah, everywhere. I'm sorry.
And this is what your floor plan looks like. So once again, it's a lot of rooms pretty much. And you got more of these penguin guys. You got a little TV in the corner so the little kids can sit around and watch that stuff while you're doing whatever you're doing here. Most of the time you're not going to be here, you're going to be over in the Grand Floridian because they've got all the restaurants. They've got all the shops. So this is pretty much it, and that is it. You're going to come in, you're going to follow where these guys go. You're either going to go up the elevator or you're going to go down the hall, find your room, and this is where you're going to stay. You're going to get up and you're probably going to head out because there's no food in here. You're not going to be eating in here. You're not going to be doing anything that's really of any entertainment or anything here. You're going to go over to the Grand Floridian. But here it's just some extra rooms. It's kind of like the beach club villas and the beach club. The villas, you just have extra rooms for the beach club, but DVC needed a place, so they built the villas. And the same thing over here. But I do get a lot of people that want us coming in and filming this, so I guess they're staying here and they need to know what it looks like, or they'd like to know what it looks like, or maybe they're thinking about coming here and they want to see what they're getting into. But I will say there's a lot of construction going on right now, guys. If you guys come down here right now, the Grand Floridian is practically shut down. The rooms are all totally pretty much closed off. So many artwork on the wall here. Actually, it looks like a window. It's kind of cool. Another map on the inside here. They like their maps over here. I don't think you really can get lost. There's another penguin in there. You pan around a room. And this is the doors that we came in earlier, and now to show you what they're going to look like going out, that's it. That's what you see. Now we're outside actually, and we're over on the Grand Floridian side looking back at just where we were a couple minutes ago, to Villas. And this is actually the pool that you guys are going to use. So this is a common area for the two resorts, the Grand Floridian and the Villas. This is the little kids section. It's actually a really cool thing themed after the Mad Hatter. So up on top you've got the hat that shakes. Right now we've got rain coming in, so all this is shut down. Usually it's all water smashing down. They come down the little cups right there. The hat splashes over. It's actually a good time to film though. You don't got to worry about people's little kids out there and then filming. And I don't got the kids here today, so if there were people in there, I wouldn't be filming that right now. And we're walking over towards, once again, that water fountain behind. In front of us is the building. Right in front of this pool would be that water fountain, but this is on the backside. And this usually is a big waterfall coming down, but right now with the rain, everything shuts off, so this is what you guys are gonna look at. You don't usually get to see it like this. It's not really nice looking because of all the water all over the place. It's usually sunny. And this is the backside. So if you guys get a look and stuff, this is the backside. There's usually a big water canvassing down into the pool there. It's a big waterfall. And once again, nobody in sight because of the storm. But that's about it over here at the Villas at the Grand Floridian, guys.